In this video, we learn about important chemical names. Bleaching powder is calcium oxychloride, borax, sodium tetraborate decahydrate, baking soda is sodium bicarbonate or sodium hydrogen carbonate, blue vitriol is copper sulfate. Next, we have carborandum, that is silicon carbide, chloroform, the chemical name is trichloromethane, caustic potash, potassium hydroxide, Chile saltpeter is sodium nitrate. As this is a long video, timeline has been provided in the description. Dry ice is solid carbon dioxide, dolomite, calcium magnesium carbonate, Epsom salt, magnesium sulfate heptahydrate, Glaubers salt, sodium sulfate decahydrate, green vitriol, ferrous sulfate heptahydrate, gypsum, calcium sulfate. Heavy water is deuterium oxide, hematite is iron oxide or ferric oxide, laughing gas is nitrous oxide, quicklime calcium oxide, slakedlime is calcium hydroxide. Next we have caustic soda is sodium hydroxide, limestone is calcium carbonate, Marsh gas is methane, milk of magnesia is magnesium hydroxide, Mohr's salt is ammonium iron sulfate. Next we have Aqua Fortis, spirit of nitric acid, Muriatic acid has hydrochloric acid, oil of vitriol sulfuric acid, wintergreen oil methyl salicylate, plaster of Paris is calcium sulfate hemihydrate. Phosgene, carbonyl dichloride, rockall salt, potassium sodium tartrate, quartz silicon dioxide, quicksilver, mercury, common salt sodium chloride, saltpeter, potassium nitrate. Timeline stamp has been given in the description. Vermilion, cinnabar, mercury sulfide, washing soda is sodium carbonate decahydrate, while white vitriol is zinc sulfate. Thank you.